Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am opening up a Valentine's Day Happy Mail from one of my longest pen pals. We decided just to do some mail swaps. We haven't done one in ages. And yeah, so I have already opened mine, but I wanted just to show you guys everything because it's adorable. I love this top. So I might actually, this is how it was when I opened it. I might actually just put it to the side and just show you bit by bit. So the first thing on top here is this gorgeous little, I'm not even sure what this is called, if this is a flip book or not, I'm not sure, but and I'm not sure what collection this is, but it's gorgeous. I love the layering and the way that this is like sticky and like always compact. So there's actually photos of me and my husband and my children in here, so I'm not going to show everything, but it opens up and it's super cute. There's some stickers, there's some more photos here that she's printed off in different sizes, some cutouts, some stickers, and it's just really cute. I love this, and I cannot wait to show my husband. I think that's a bit cute. There's a love heart, what's that, crepe paper thingy. In here are some heart embellishments. I'm not going to take them all out, but I will put photos up on my Instagram of all of this, so you can go and have a look over there. I'll have it linked down below. There's another heart crepe paper. I'm not sure what they are. I've forgotten my words. Also in here are some cute little mini doilies. They're only the size of my palm. How cute are they? There's also a sticker floating around in there. We've got a gold puffy bow. That's really cute. Chloe has also included some more beads. So this is really handy because I've just started getting into beading and making little charms and things. So these will be really cool to have in my stash. So next in the box is this gorgeous little key ring. Chloe is so good at making these little key rings, I just don't have the patience. But on here you've got a bow and arrow, well, an arrow with a heart, a little tassel, heart beads, this gorgeous little love letter charm, a heart, and then it looks like, I don't know whether she made this or bought it, but it's super cute. It's just like a little lolly heart packet, and she's put this ribbon up top of it. So it's just a clip on. And then behind those were two little safety pin charms. I haven't seen these sorts of pins in so long, but they look so cool. I guess you could use them as key rings anyway. Just be careful that, you don't poke yourself. So this one says Moi and XOXO, and they are so cute. Okay, so we're getting into the bigger things here. We might open this one. So this little stripy envelope, I guess it is full of little stickers. I think that's where those little bits that were floating around come out of. There's cutouts, there's cardboard stickers, a girl and a boy. Oh, they're so cute. Love. And get all those back in there so I don't lose any of them. I'll put them back in there too. So I'm just going to move that to the side so we can look at these bits. So Chloe's also made a sequin mix, which is super cute. It's got like little Fimo pieces, I think is what they're called. Hearts and envelopes, and another little charm on top of it. Gorgeous. The next thing here, this really caught my attention. It reminded me of a little play phone that you used to get when you were little. And she's decorated that. And we open it up. and it is like a little bead making or jewelry making travel kit. So I've got some more of those, safety pins, which is awesome, some sweet little beads, some more alphabets because you can never have enough of those. There's some charms in there, some more beads. They're called jewelry making findings, and some tassels. So that'll be really cool to take with you if you're like going to someone's house or traveling and you wanted just to do something little. Found some more stickers. They must have all fallen out. So there's this little one here that is packaged up that I haven't actually opened yet. But before I open that, Chloe's also put in this gorgeous little gnome Valentine's Day planning sticker kit. So this is from La Vie Prince, and it's gorgeous. So I'm going to save that for next year because I have already planned for the week. But that is super cute. So I'll be popping that into my collection for next year. So there is a tag here that says self-care, and it looks like Chloe's handwritten that herself. I'm loving this. It's like a holographic string. So cute. So in here, well, I don't want to rip it. I think I'm going to have to though. Yeah. Oh, cute. So in here we have a tea bag, a face mask, a lip mask, and a coconut and vitamin E lip butter. So she's spoilt me rotten. So that's all for this mail. I will have photos of this up on my Instagram. Oh, never mind. Pause for a second. The other thing was this gorgeous little coffee cup project. It got a little bit squished in the mail, but I will fix it. And it was filled with Ferrero Rocher. So I have given my husband 2 and I have had 1. I don't know how long that's gonna last, considering I'm trying to be healthy this year. But this gorgeous little coffee cup has gold elements on it, and has the, I'm not sure, I think it's like a hot protector or something. And Chloe's put some gold thread and elements under there. So I will have photos of all this on my Instagram. If you want to check them out, head over to the link that I'll post down below. I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are and whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!